Vachanamrut Sri Gadadhar first chapter. Constantly engaging the mind on the Swarup of Bhagwan. Swami Narayan Hare in the Samvat year 1876, on the night of Magsha Sud 4, the 20th of November 1819, Shriji Maharaj had come to the residential hall of the Sadhus in Dada Khachar's Dabur in Gadadhar. He was dressed entirely in white clothes. A sabha of sadhus, as well as haribhaktas from various places, had gathered before him. Shriji Maharaj then asked, "What is the most difficult of all spiritual activities?" The brahmacharis, sadhus, and grihasthas answered according to their understanding, but no one could give a satisfactory reply. Shriji Maharaj then said, "Allow me to answer. There is no spiritual activity more difficult than to continuously engage the mind on the Swarup of Bhagwan. The Shastras state that there is no greater achievement for a person whose mind's vritti is constantly focused on the Murti of Bhagwan. This is because the Murti of Bhagwan is like a Chintamani. Just as a person who possesses a Chintamani attains whatever he desires, a person whose mind's vritti is constantly focused on the Murti of Bhagwan can instantly see, if he so wishes, the Swarups of Jeev, Ishwar, Maya, and Brahma. He can also see Vaikunt, Golok, Brahma Mahol, and other dhans of Bhagwan. Therefore, there is no spiritual activity more difficult, nor is there any greater achievement, than to continuously engage the mind's vritti on the Murti of Bhagwan." Then, Sheth Govardhan Bhai asked Shriji Maharaj, "What is the nature of Bhagwan's Maya?" Shriji Maharaj replied, "Maya is anything that obstructs a bhakta of Bhagwan, while he is performing dhyan of Bhagwan's Murti." Then, Muktanand Swami inquired, when a bhakta leaves his physical body, which is composed of the 5 bahuts, and goes to Akshardham, what type of body does he attain? Shriji Maharaj answered, "A bhakta who has sought refuge in the Dharma Kul will attain a Brahmai body by the wish of Bhagwan." When such bhaktas leave their body and go to Akshardham, some go by sitting on Garud, some go by sitting on a rat, and others go by sitting on a viman. This is how they reach the Dham of Bhagwan. Those who have mastered Yog Samadhi can actually witness these events. Then, Harji Thakur asked Shriji Maharaj, "Some have been practicing satsang for quite some time. Yet they do not have the intense love for satsang as they do for their own body and their relatives. What is the reason for this?" Shriji Maharaj explained, "Such a person has not fully realized the greatness of Bhagwan. When a saint, by whose association the greatness of Bhagwan can be fully realized, talks to him about his swabhav, the person is not able to change his behavior. Instead, he develops hatred towards the saint that has advised him. It is due to this sinful act that he does not develop intense love for satsang. After all, sins committed elsewhere are washed away by association with a saint. But sins committed against a saint are washed away only by the grace of the saint himself, not by any other means." The Shastras also state, "Anya kashetre kritam papam tirt kashetre vina shathi tirt kashetre kritam papam vajra lepo bhavi shathi." Sins committed elsewhere are destroyed at a place of pilgrimage, but sins committed at a place of pilgrimage are as though etched in iron. Therefore, if a person does not have hatred towards the sant, he develops intense love for satsang.